Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this exciting product from yeslac.com. This is a wheel cover for 20-inch induction wheel for Tesla Model Y. It fits on all model of Tesla Y, which has a 20-inch induction wheels, but this has a similar look as the 21-inch Uberturbine wheels that performance model gets. Because the 20-inch induction wheel is not a hubcap, but it's an actual wheel, this goes on top of it and it has the same design, but just the middle piece is different. There's two benefits. One, a lot of Tesla owners grind their wheels, so this prevents grinding your actual wheels because it's a wheel cover that doesn't look like a wheel cover. It has a slight different design than the 20-inch induction wheels. It makes your wheel look bigger because the actual dimension, it gets slightly larger, like half an inch larger than the 20-inch wheels. This is the 20-inch induction wheels. So it looks similar design, but the center wheel cap is different. So center wheel cap comes off. So originally it had this type of center wheel, so it caves in, but this has a nice lug shape design that comes out. So it's very good looking design, and I'll show you how to install it. But first you get the 4 boxes individually wrapped, and it comes with this foam stickers, so it reduces the road noise, vibration noise. So open a box, very well packaged wheel cover that looks almost exactly, that has the same look as a real alloy wheels. And there's 2 colors, gun gray and the black. I got the black color. Also the center hubcap comes off if you want. Attach these to these points right here. So you're attaching like this. So it's a double-sided tape, sticky tape like this. Very simple install. That's it. So one is installed. Difference between 19 and 20-inch wheels. 19-inch, it's a hubcap, so you can take it off. The Uberturbine wheels have an actual look as a 21-inch performance wheels. Obviously, it's gonna be smaller looking, but it will have an exact replica Uberturbine wheels. But for 20-inch, it's actual alloy wheels. It's an exact design as a induction wheels, but just the center part is different. This is slightly bigger, so to remove it, just get the prying tools and just put it into these areas, and that's it. But it's very, very secure. So this one is original 20-inch induction wheels. This is the 20-inch Uberturbine wheel. So if you actually look at it, this has a 10 fans like this, the empty space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whereas actual 21-inch Uberturbine wheels have 11 slots. You're not changing the design too much, but it will give you the slight different look. So to remove the centerpiece, I usually get the Allen key like that, the thinner ones, and just put it in the middle like this, and grab it and pull it out. So this is a pretty simple device. You just have to pop it out. Make sure the air valve is the same location as that. As I mentioned before, a lot of the Teslas have the wear marks over here. So these hubcap will also change the design slightly. It will also protect your actual wheels. Like a cheaper way to modify your wheels and just have a little different look. Because I'm sure all Tesla Ys look same wheels. So I'm sure you guys are getting a little bored with your design. So just have to pop it in. That's it. And look at that. Very tight around the actual wheels. Look at this from the side. It gives you that beefy look. It looks like the wheel is a little bit out, so it doesn't cave into the wheels. So it has the more aggressive look. I'll actually measure it with a tape measure. From the middle, it has 21 3/4. This is the 20-inch induction wheels. In the middle, this one is 21 1/2. Uberturbine wheels, 21 3/4, so 1/4 of an inch larger. So this gives you the protection, 1/4 inch larger, so it gives you the appearance of the bigger wheels. It has a similar appearance as the Uberturbine wheels with the same center cap pattern. It looks perfect. I shined my tires. Wow, it has a complete different look than my old Tesla Y. So this is another fun way to change up your Tesla Y look, because there's a lot of Tesla Ys, especially 20-inch induction wheels. So this is another good way to kind of modify your car because there's no harm done to your wheels. And I didn't want to color the brake caliper red because I don't want to mess with Tesla's warranty or something like that. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna do that for this car. Check this product out from yeslac.com. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.